A boy, called the Boy Fixer, is a repairman of broken things in the village of Kogon.
Pero walang nag-aayos sa akin. Look at this freak! What is it made of? Trash! Ha! Look at its face! Walang nagturo. Walang tumulong. Puro pag-asa lang.
He didn't give up and kept going no matter how hard it was.
Boy Fixer, magpapaayos ako. Ako unahin mo.
2 years later,
We love you! Thank you all so much.
few moments,
I can't believe we did this to you. I'm so sorry. We really regret this. Please forgive us. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil pinapatawad ko na kayo.